Welcome to PMY7090, the Master's Research Project module. In this module you will undertake a work-based research or audit project. The module provides an opportunity to put into practice some of your learning from previous modules, in particular the Research and Statistical Methods modules. Please start by reading the module guide, as it provides details of the requirements for this module and how it will be assessed. If you have not yet identified a topic for your project, it is important that you should do so as soon as possible. You should discuss potential projects with your manager and clinical colleagues in order to identify a project that will be useful in your workplace. The most successful projects tend to be those that students can incorporate into their daily work activities. If you cannot identify a suitable project locally, the list of potential projects that have been suggested by our academic staff might help you in identifying a suitable project that you can carry out in your workplace. Projects must include data collection and analysis. Literature-based projects are not sufficient for this module. Students undertaking audit projects should undertake a before and after study. An initial audit will be undertaken to assess performance against standards. This is followed by an intervention designed to improve performance in deficient areas, and a re-audit is undertaken to assess the impact of the intervention. It is important to be realistic about what is achievable in the time that you have available to you. You will start by drawing up a protocol, and then you will undertake your data collection and analysis over several months. Finally, you will write up your project as a dissertation to be submitted by the 30th of September next year. It may seem a long way off, but the next year will pass by quickly, so it's important to get off to a good start as early as possible. Once you have identified a suitable project, you should submit your topic selection form for approval, and once your topic is approved, you will be assigned to a project supervisor from our academic staff. The next step will be to submit an initial protocol to your supervisor for approval, followed by regular progress reports and a draft to your supervisor during the year. If necessary, you must ensure that ethics approval is obtained locally or through the school before initiating data collection. Your supervisor will be able to advise you if required. NHS staff in the UK should consult with their local R&D office. You should contact your supervisor if you experience any problems relating to your research project. Also, the staff in the Distance Learning Centre are only an email or a phone call away if you have any issues relating to your studies. As with last year, you will have access to other students via the online discussion forum for this module, and I would encourage you to post any module-related queries in the forum so that fellow students can offer advice and will also benefit from any responses posted by course staff. Later in the module, I will deliver an online webinar to provide additional guidance on making progress with your research and writing up your work. Finally, if you've not yet completed your online registration, please do so as a matter of urgency. Students who have not completed registration by the 5th of October are withdrawn automatically and will be charged a £50 late registration fee to be readmitted. I hope you enjoy the research project module and that you're inspired to undertake further work-based research during your pharmacy career.